question, we are given a square ABCD whose each side is equal to k centimeters. NDE, this part is a sector of a circle with center as D and E lies on the diagonal BD. It is also given that M is the midpoint of the square. So as the entire length AD is given to be k centimeters and M is the midpoint. Therefore, this MD is equal to k by 2 centimeters. Now, we are asked find the percentage of the square that is shaded. So, first of all, let us find out the area shaded. The area shaded can be written, the area shaded can be written as the area of the square, difference the area of the sector, difference the area of the sector, whose radius is k by 2 centimeters. Now, the area of the square, we know that the area of the square is equal to the side length whole square. Here, the length of each side is k centimeters. Therefore, the area of square is k square cm square. Now, let us find out the area of a sector. The area of a sector is given as 1 by 2 r square theta. R is the radius of the sector and theta is the angle subtended. As ABCD is a square and BD is the diagonal divides the angle into two equal parts. Therefore, this angle is 45 degrees. Now, in the formula 1 by 2 r square theta, we need to take care of one thing, that theta must be in radians. Therefore, if theta is equal to 45 degrees, on converting it into radians, we get 45 pi by 180 degrees, which is pi by 4. Therefore, the value of theta is equal to pi by 4. And it is already given that r is equal to k by 2 centimeters. Now, we substitute the values of r and theta in the area of the sector. This gives us area of the sector AS equal to 1 by 2 r square, that is k by 2 whole square multiplied to theta, which is pi by 4. This can be further written as pi k square divided by the numerator becomes 2 times 2 square, that is 2 times 4 is 8 and 8 is again multiplied to 4 to give us the value 32. Therefore, this is the area of the sector. Now, the area shaded. Now, the shaded area or the area shaded is equals to area of the square, which is k square, minus area of the sector, which is pi k square divided by 32. On further simplifying it, we get 32k square minus pi k square divided by 32. Now, we are asked, find the percentage of the square that is shaded. The percentage is nothing but the shaded area divided by the total area of the square multiplied to 100. Here, the shaded area is 32k square minus pi k square divided by 32 is divided with the total area of the square, which is k square. Now, this needs to be multiplied to 100. Now, further simplification gives us 32 minus pi divided by 32 multiplied to 100. Therefore, using the calculator, we get the answer to be 90.18%. So the correct answer to this is 90.18 percentage. This can also be approximated to 90%. So both the values are acceptable, either 90.18 or 90%. Now let us have a look towards the marking scheme of this question. This question carries a total of 4 marks. On writing the area of the square and area of the sector properly, we fetch 1 mark for the question. And on finding the shaded area, we get 2 marks for the question. On writing the formula for the percentage, this gives us 3 marks. And on reaching the end result, gives us 4 marks for the question. Hope the solution was understandable. Thank you.